Kumshibenta nakathong banpenne pensa eka jingjer ngam jong kamay Mariang ka Ophis District Sports Ribhoy District ha ka jingas nok tilang ka Ophis Deputy Commissioner kalapalong ye ka program penshai pai ba halor ka jingdon kam bakong san banyo eka Mariang ka bakhoit basuba kabalatip kum ka Chief Minister's Youth for Green Campaign Movement arjar arpusan. Ye kini ka program lasdang de kajingyai rally de ki bicycle bike campaign ride nado Indo Hall Sidon hado Nongpoh shopping complex. Hakini ka program la shimenta de kinoyalam be kidkhot ka kanhon ribhoy cycling association ha ka jingyalang penchai pai ba hakini ka jaka bla shimenta lang de kinoyalam ka Nongpoh town committee ki Samla puli lembat ki pai ba kani ka Nongba district. Kajing tmu jong ni green campaign movement kadai ka thong jong menteri rangba Khuborjylla ban penslori ki pai ba ban sumar ban Ïada ban kersha ni ka Mariang da kajing le khoi ban wanra kajing kala ki saudong saukun bangi em man kasngi halash nong lathau lahikai ban penduna kajing penmi ikjabo ban thung bat sumar ki ding ki sit ban kunai ha kajing pendon kam ya ka boarding electric bat ru ban num pensap e than ya ko umbam umdi. Hakani kasngi ladon lang ka Pradhan Assistant Commissioner Ribhoy District uba Bobby L Nongbet DSO ka Kong Rida Lindem PTI ki Samla puli ka kinhun kinongnya cycle na Ribhoy bat kilong kami long kapa.
Just wait for the flag. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Come on, let's clap everyone. Drive saved. Let's all meet at the end of the route.
As we know that we do not, the earth does not belong to us, but we belong to this earth. So it's our responsibility to make sure that we take care of our mother nature. So what has really happened in the past few years is that in this rapid surge of development, we can see that climate change is happening for real. So there's a risk that the temperature of the earth has already increased by 2 degrees. The risk of global warming is actually near. We can see the sudden landslides, the floods, and everything which has really put the human life at risk. So now suddenly this, therefore at the international levels and everywhere, this thing of climate change, and suddenly we all have started taking actions, because we have realized that if we don't act now, then maybe our future generation, they have to suffer for us. So therefore it's very important that that not only the government, but we as a citizen, we take the responsibility and we act responsibly to save our environment. So if we know, we have already launched a campaign that is Lifestyle for Environment movement at the national level. So where each and every individual has to ensure that through their responsible behavior, they are protecting the Mother Earth. So basically replicating that, in the state we have launched a green campaign movement, which is basically awareness for our environment. So we have to make sure that first of all that whatever we are already having, that we have to conserve. So please, we can start from small actions in our daily. For example, we can ensure that we are saving water, we are not wasting water, we are saving electricity. So whenever we don't require, we can always switch off the lights, the fans. So from these small things, we can actually make a huge impact. If each and every one of us make small changes in their day-to-day lifestyle, we can really create a huge impact collectively. So from today, we should always make sure that we are not using plastics. We are always using recyclable things. We can also ensure that we are not wasting water, and we are not cutting down trees. We can make a resolution that every year we are planting one tree and we are taking care of that particular tree. So these small things I would like to really urge each and every one of us to make sure that we really do, and I'm really sure that if each and every one of us will ensure, we will definitely achieve the goal. And
reminds us that protecting our environment begins with us. Under the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister, we come together as youth to plant, to clean and to care for our surroundings. Every small action, say it's saving water, reducing waste or planting a tree, creates a big impact. Let us lead by example and inspire others to join. I won't take too much time again, short and sweet. Together, let us build a cleaner, greener future. Thank you, Khuborkhasi. Jai Hind.